In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you guys through the process on how you can possibly earn up to $10,000 using AI blogging. This tutorial is going to take you through every step from beginning this down to earning and cashing out the money from the online blogging. We are going to be working with AI to make our work faster and easier for us. We can even do this with our phones, wherever we are and anytime, anywhere. Okay, so we are just going to begin with the whole process. So first thing first, we are going to be signing into a website where we are going to be uploading our blogs. That is anything we want to blog about or talk about, where we are going to be uploading it. So that is where we are going to be opening up, which is blogger.com. All right, so the first thing we are going to do now is to create an account with them. Then you can do well to sign up if you haven't, or you click on your sign in here, and then from there you can be able to sign up if you haven't done that before. All right, so you can use your email just as I'm using mine here. All right, so this is now where we are going to begin with the whole process, which is for us to choose a name for our blog. All right, so you can choose a name for your blog. You can give it any name of your choice. All right, so let's say I'm just going to be naming this Learn Digital Skills. All right, so I'll just click on next. All right, so the address, I can put learn digitalskills.blogpost.com. so that is the way people can actually find me if they really want to use my address to go straight to my blog. So try to use something that people can actually remember. All right, so I've gotten mine. Then display name, what do I want to display? I'm going to be displaying this name. All right, so here we are, and this is our blog post. Now this is where we are going to be uploading our blogs. All right, so before that, let's see how we can set up our blog. Now we are going to come over to theme here. We are going to be selecting a theme that we want to use. Anyone you find nice to use, you can go ahead and select it. So I'm going to be selecting okay, I think I'll go with this one. Then I'll click on apply. All right, so this is it. I have applied it there. So now let's see how we can now create a post and upload it on our blog post right here. All right, so this is what we're going to do next. Now we are moving over to our ChatGPT. Now in our ChatGPT, that is where we are going to be getting or deriving our blogs that we are going to be uploading. All right, so we'll come over to templates here. This template right here. So if you're not actually having this on your ChatGPT, you can go well to search for keywords everywhere and install it into your Chrome browser. All right, so I'll click on my template here. Okay, then category, you go ahead and select copywriting, subcategory blog writing template. It should generate complete blog post from topic. All right, then you come over to your voice tones here. And now from this, you need to first get the topic you want to blog about before you can be able to select which you want to go for here. So let's say here I'm going to be going for conversational, and the writing style should be creative or informative. Yeah, creative or informative. Then here is where you are going to be setting your topic. Now, what do you really need to blog about? You need to blog about things that people really want to know about, which is how to make money, also health. Yeah, people want to know about health, history. In fact, these are some of the things that people want to know about. So let's say I'm going to be blogging about health. All right, so I'm going to pick in this topic, how to cure stress. Then I'm going to go ahead and execute templates. So looking at this is how to cure stress. We have the first one, understanding stress. Then the second one is recognizing the signs of stress. Then the third one is effective stress management techniques. So all of these are just for my blog. Now there's something very important we need to know here is we do not need to upload exactly what we're having here. This is AI. You're also uploading it online, so you don't need to take or copy everything here and upload it online directly. This is what we are going to do. So what I'm going to just walk you through the whole process. I'll be using the first one. Yeah, just the first one here. The first one is understanding stress. I'm going to show you how you can do this, then you can now decide to continue on. All right, how to cure stress is my topic. So now I'll move over to my blog post here, and I'll click on new post. I want to create a new post. So it's creating my title. I'll be putting my title in here, how to cure stress. All right, so I can now go ahead and start my whole writing right here. Okay, so I'll move over to my ChatGPT. The first one is understanding stress. I'll copy this. Understanding stress is the first one. I'll move over to my blog post. I'll come here and I'll paste it here. Understanding stress. Now, before I start whatever I want to write, I need to now insert a picture and also to make this a subtopic. All right, so I'll make this one bold. I'll make it bigger. You see, all of these here are just for you to be able to walk through all of this. Paragraph, let's say subheading. Then I'll come down here. Now down here is where I'm going to be putting a picture of someone being stressed out. So to get a picture, you can simply go to Google. Yes, or maybe some people that actually want to take this really deep can go ahead and take a picture of yourself, maybe feeling so stressed. You know how the expression can look like. So I'll just put this stress. I'll go ahead and download the picture and then I'll insert it right in there. All right, so for me to be able to insert my image, I'll come over to this is where you find insert image. I'll click on this and then I'll upload from computer. I'll click on browse. All right, so this is it here. Understanding stress. I think I need to make this bigger. A heading. All right, so after this, I'll come down here. I can now continue with my blogging. I'll move over to my ChatGPT. Now the first one is what is stress. This I'll copy this here. I'll move over to my blog post. I'll paste it. What is stress? Let me make this bold. I'll come down here. Then I can now put in whatever I'm having here. Now, like I said, you don't need to copy every single like what you're having here is what AI gave you. You do not need to copy exactly this and paste it there. Now, if you want to actually do this your own, you take your time and change so many things as possible as you can. You can rephrase it or rewrite all of this. But if you find it difficult in rephrasing that, you don't wasting so much time in rephrasing all of this. Now there is a website we are going to be using in rephrasing this. The website is called Quillbot. So all of these, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description where you can go ahead and simply click on it to direct you straight to this. All right, so Quillbot, we have the free and we have the premium. So I will advise you go with the free for now. Then when you are used to it, or when you can continue, you can now go ahead and paying for the premium. All right, so I'm going to copy what I have on my ChatGPT here. I'll be taking it gradually. I'll copy this first one. Yeah, that is one thing with the Quillbot. You cannot copy so many at once. When you are using the free, you just have to take it gradually. So this is also necessary. We need to take this gradually. I'll put it here. I'll paste it. Paraphrase. So I'm having this here now. You see that this is actually different from what AI has given us. This is stress is a complex reaction that our bodies have to be stressful and all of that. So I've copied this by clicking on this here. I'll move back to my posts here and then I'll be pasting this right here. All right, then I'll come down now. I want to copy the next one on my ChatGPT, which I'm having 1.2, the science behind stress, how your body reacts. So I'll copy this. I'll move to my post here. I'll paste it. I need to also make it just as the 1.1 by making it bold. All right, then I come down here. You see this is just so simple. In fact, we can actually write so many blogs like this and we'll be making good amount of money monthly. Don't worry, after this I'm just going to tell you how you can now start withdrawing your money and how possible it can be. All right, so I'll move to my paraphrase. I'll paste the next one here. I'll click on paraphrase. So one good thing about blogging is that as you are doing all of this, you are teaching yourself, you are building yourself on how you can become a blogger. And it cannot just end there. One thing about blogging, it cannot end there. People will start looking for you because they've seen that this is what you do online. Just like copywriting, this is what you do online. They will look for you so that you can come and write for them, not just write for them, come and work for them. But now you have this skill already. This is a very powerful skill. It's not just about you blogging and uploading and making your money. That's all. It does not end there. People will come look for you. All right, so this is what we are going to do next. Now we'll copy this. We'll move over to our post here. We'll paste this one too. You see this? And as you're doing this, do not forget it is also important for us to be inserting pictures, because pictures is also actually good to the eyes. Yeah, people love pictures. So now I'm going to look for another picture and put it right here. So like I said earlier, how can you put in a picture? You click on insert picture here, upload from computer. All right, so I have this one here now. So I'll just come down here, paste the next one I have on my ChatGPT, which is Common causes of stress. Why you even doing it? You'll be enjoying it. I tell you, you'll be enjoying this thing. You come down here, go back, you copy what you have here. So go ahead and paste this here too, and then you paraphrase. You can even be doing all of this. The only thing that it will be taking is just your time, just little of your time. It will be taking it. Even if you choose not to finish a particular blog that you're writing, but you can just take it to some point, you paste it, you you publish it. Later you can still come back and edit it. Yes, you can still come back and edit it. So writing a particular blog can take you a week. Yes, it can take you a week, and people they'll be reading it. So all you just have to do is you just need to like advertise it, tell people about it, and then people will be coming in to read and all of that. Always have your link there. You're having your WhatsApp, you're having your Instagram, upload it there. Tell people to go and watch, to go and read it rather. They will go there and read it. So all of these are just processes that you'll be making your money. You see, to make money online, there are so many ways of making this money online. So it's just for you to understand a particular way and follow that process, though it's going to take a little time. Alright, so this is just the whole process. You can go ahead and keep writing as long as you want. Yes, as long as you want. There is enough space for it. So now you can now go ahead and publish it. But before I publish it, let's looking at this is how your post is going to be like when people are reading it. Look at it. You can see it. In fact, having something like this, you'll be enjoying it. Like, it's actually nice this way. You see it. And then you can also insert link. It is possible for you to insert link in your blog. Okay, now let me show you how. Come over to your post here. Let's take, for instance, I want to insert my link, my YouTube link. Now maybe I'm writing something, or maybe this particular thing, I want to insert a link on this one here, this period. I'll highlight it, I'll come over to my link here, click on this, and then I can now insert a link right here. When the person is reading this particular stuff and comes to this period, the period will be okay, let me quickly do it and see. You see how it looks like. Now let me insert a link here on this period. I'm going to be selecting this. Open this link in a new window. Yes, I want it to open a new window, and then I'll click on apply. Now when you are reading this, you get to this point and you click on this, it will take you to my YouTube channel, because it is my YouTube link I inserted there. You can also insert a video, but I will not advise you insert a video on your blog. It is not advisable. Instead, make people to move over to your YouTube channel and watch your videos. Insert that video, upload that video on your YouTube channel, and put the link here. Then they should tap on it and go to your YouTube. Now you are using one stone to kill two birds. They are reading it, and they are also going to your YouTube channel to watch your videos. So all of these are just strategies on how you can make your audience do things that they will not even know that this is what they are doing to help you. It's just very simple. Insert a link. Now on this period, when they read and get to this point, maybe this period is something like, maybe they want to really know what that thing is, they can tap on it. Or you put, while you're writing all of this, you come somewhere here, maybe at the end here like this, and then you put in brackets, click. Then you highlight this bracket and put in your link. People will come there, they will click on it, and to take them to your YouTube channel. So you see, this is just very simple. So now all I just want you guys to do now is for you to like this video. Not just like, subscribe, because I'll be dropping more and more videos for you to see and learn more about how you can be making money online. There's so many ways. I have so many strategies, so many steps, so many things on how you can, or what you can do in order for you to make money online. All right, so let's continue. So I'm just going to be removing this. Let me remove this, and then I'll publish this. This will be published. Yes, confirm. Now this is publishing. Look at it. Look at the date it was published, September 2nd, which is today. Now this I can decide to delete, I can decide to view, and this will be the number of impressions, number of comments that you get on it. So that is why when you are putting in your ChatGPT, you need to put this conversation on, so that people will have the chance to also drop comments. You can also decide to share this. Yes, by clicking on the share, you can share it to other of the social media. This is also necessary and very important. All right, so if you want to still come back to edit this, maybe you finish your blogging, you can just come back and click on it, and it will take you right there. So now, how can you now start withdrawing your money from here? All you have to do now is to move over to your Google AdSense. You move to Google AdSense, and then you click on sites. Okay, so I don't want to actually make this video very long, so I'll just quickly explain this. Google AdSense, you click on your Google AdSense, you sign into it, and then you will find sites. When you click on your site, you'll be asked to drop your website, the link there. You can now come ahead to your blog here, your blog, and then you copy the link. You copy the link and go and paste it there. Now any money that is made from your blog here will be going directly to your AdSense, and then from your AdSense you can link it to your account, and then you withdraw your money. Very simple. Now, you are also making money from here, and also your videos that you're uploading about, you can decide to create a YouTube channel concerning this. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you are going to see a video that will help you in order for you to create a YouTube channel. Now, the reason why you will be creating a YouTube channel is when you are discussing about health, this is stress, you need a video. You need a video that you'll be able to upload in order for you to drop the link on your blog, and people will go over to your YouTube channel to watch your video. But now, you do not need to also start thinking on how you can start creating your video. Yes, you don't need to do that. Now, there is also a step and that you can use AI in generating a video. I'm going to be dropping the video. I'm going to be dropping 2 videos at the end of this tutorial. The 2 videos, the first one is about the YouTube channel. The second one is going to take you the step you need to follow in order for you to create any video using AI. So all of this, you can do all of this in your house, and you are using AI to do everything. You upload your video on YouTube and then you are good to go. Alright guys, so this is just all I have for this tutorial, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment, tell me what is that you want to move into. Like this one, what I talked about here is about health, which is stress. Yeah, so now what are you actually discussing about? What do you want to discuss? Then drop in the comment section. So all I just want you to do is go over to the comment section and type in, if it's health, type in health. If it's psychology or whatsoever, type it in there, and then I'll get back to you. All right, this is all we're going to be discussing for today. You want to watch how you can create a YouTube channel or create a video using AI? Check out this next video.